If you've got a crush, now's the time to show it. With the sweet new My Crush line, it'll be easier than ever to show off all the things you love about your life. My Crush books are the perfect home for all of your ephemera and your memorabilia. The pages in the books are designed with a variety of fun patterns and quotes, frames and photos to help draw attention to your memories and keepsakes. You can also purchase the coordinating embellishments and stamps to go with your My Crush book of choice. My Crush books are designed to reflect your personality. You can be as organic and whimsical as you'd like with the design. Don't worry about making a perfect layout. These books are a place for you to crush in all of your memorabilia in a fun and interesting way. Let me walk you through a few of the different ways you can use the versatile books. In this book, In the Pink My Crush, I had a friend Erin who put together all of her great memories and different photos, ticket stubs, notes from friends, and special things she didn't want to forget. Let's take a look inside and see what she's done here. On this page, she's hand watercolored a beautiful card and then just torn out a quote from a magazine that she thought was fun, and then added a title with the stickers that come in the assortment. On this page here, she's just added some of her fun photos and kept the ticket stubs that she wanted to collect in this pocket that again comes in the assortment with the My Crush pieces. Here is a beautiful note from a friend that she's just glued down but is kept so you can open it and still read the message inside. On this page, the happy was already printed on the background paper, so she's just added a list of the 10 things that make her happy. You can look through the book and see the beautiful designs of the pages themselves and how to work that into where you add your photos and embellishments. Here, she's done a full page of just the journaling. This is a way to really showcase the background papers as well as your handwriting. And even if you don't like your handwriting, it's important to keep that for your posterity. And lastly, here's another idea with some photos, some fun embellishments, and just using the beautiful space and the design as your background. As you can see, My Crush books are the perfect way to showcase all your mementos and any keepsake you want to remember. Keep the things you love about your life in the spotlight by filling up one of your own. For more information about the My Crush books, contact your independent consultant or visit closetomyheart.com to find one near you.